Crude oil started the week on a good bullish note. We have seen it recovering towards 70.8 levels here, while natural gas is the one which has shown signs of bearishness. We have already seen it hitting the lows at 2.62. What to expect now? Today from crude oil and net gas, how to profit, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade safely and trade profitably throughout the day. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and clear-cut levels so that you can trade profitably. Do not miss to press the bell icon and do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Do like, share and comment as well. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into US crude followed with natural gas. Watch till. See, oil first today has given a gap up here after dropping here towards 69 towards the last trading session. We have seen a gap up opening, and now remember we have lot many gaps remaining to be filled by oil first here today till 69, and from the previous week there is a gap towards 72, and then preceding week 74.5, 75. Now we have to be cautious here. Now if you look at the formation, what it is doing, it is also delivering lower highs, lower lows. Now only bullishness today is above 71, 71.3 zone. Once it breaks beyond 71, 71.3, you can expect that it is going to show us a move towards 71.7, 72 zone, the next target zone, which will also complete its gap filling exercise. That is the first point. Second point, it is still trading in this bullish channel, higher highs, higher lows. This is the gap which is I am talking about, and this is the second one which it is created. Now if you see it is staying below 70 today, the chances will be high that we are looking forward for it to move towards 69 and then bounce back. This one possibility you should not ignore. If you look at the stochastic, this is at the top. The MACD has retraced sharp, waiting for it to cross over. This crossover can confirm a reversal, while RSI is showing a rise. And on the 2 hour charts, when you see, look at the formation here, lower highs are there, and thus it is very important for oil to trade beyond 71, 71.3, which will confirm a reversal. Right now I can see it delivering lower highs, and in fact if you see it is staying now with the next candle above 70.8, 71, you can confirm that there is possibility of a further rise, and you can look forward to a rise here towards 72 and in fact higher levels. See, this is how it has been trading. It is very important for it to break beyond 72, 72.4, which will confirm the reversal here. Now when you see the 2 hour chart, see, this is the gap which I am talking about, which it is left here today. So this is the point which we can look forward to at some point of time in near future. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish here. It is not yet crossed over. It is crossed over at the top on the upside, and it appears there is lot much of downside available, and that is why I say till 71, 71.3, and in fact till 72 you should not be treating oil as bullish. Stochastic rising here. Coming to the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. See, lower highs, this is most important, and if it drops or if it trades beyond 40, 71, 71.3, we can expect a move towards 71.8, 72, and hitting this we can expect a possible reversal as well. Right now I can say it is trading with modest bullish bias, but it hardly takes 1 or 2 candles for it to reverse completely. And if you see it is staying below this zone here at 70.5. Now see how important is this. You can look at multiple candles getting its support from 70.5, 70.2, and right now it is struggling at the same zone. So once you see it is staying below 70.2, you can initiate a selling entry. Expect it to move towards 69.8, 69.5 and 69 zone, below which we can again expect a massive drop here towards 68 levels. Stochastic rising, the MACD is in green. It has tried to cross over, not yet crossed over, and it has still lot much of room available on the upside. RSI rising, again good sign for the bulls. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, this is how it has been trading. It is very important for it to stay above 71, 71.3 and 72, 72.4. Once it trades beyond this, the chances will be high that we may see a good recovery, good rise. What is happening here on the 4 hour chart, taking the support from the median of the Bollinger Bands, you are seeing a rise, and the crossover here in the moving averages is also a very good sign. Thus it is very clear that as long as it respects 69, we should not be treating this as bearish as well. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is also rising, the RSI is flat. Coming today, Now, before we move to daily charts, and I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you are just looking forward to a broker which offers you swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Do join it today and enjoy the best of the offers. Now look at the daily chart. See, when you see the daily charts, I have shared earlier as well in my daily and weekly reviews. See, this is how it has been trading after the drop. It is trading in this bearish channel. The second thing here is this gap is already filled, and the next gap here is still towards 72, which is yet to be filled here. Then this one I am talking about, this one is yet to be filled. So I can see a bit of, you can say, lot many gaps getting left here for oil, and it is trading a bit in a zone of consolidation. So till 71, 71.3, and then 72 levels are not taken, we should not be treating oil as bullish. And then we can expect beyond 72, 72.4, what we are looking forward to 74.5, 75 as the first, and 76 as the next target. But as you can see, there are greater hurdles here. You can find out the 20 and 50 period moving average providing it a greater resistance. But what has happened today, it has already given a gap here, already delivered higher lows, and it is moving upwards. So if you see, it is staying above 70.7, 70.8 zone. Initiative buying entry, expect 71, 71.3, and then 71.6, 72 levels. Beyond 72 is where you can look forward to bullishness. 72.5, 73.6, 74.5 are the next targets. If not today, then in this week, some point of time, we are going to see these levels. While on the downside today, I will recommend a selling entry at 70.15 levels. Expect 70, 69.8. Very good support here till 69.8, below which 69.5, and then 69.2, 69. Only bearishness is if it trades below 69, where we can look forward to a move towards 68.6 and 68 levels as the next targets. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Take your trades accordingly, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Now let's move to natural gas. See, what natural gas today did is it has given a gap down and then has recovered. Now it is trading in this consolidation zone, and it appears there could be another bullish candle which is going to fill this gap, and thus a movement towards 2.75, 2.76 levels can be expected here. But only bullishness today is if you see it is staying above 2.772 zone. That is the first part to it. Second thing to note here in the hourly charts here is it is still trading bearish here, delivering lower lows and lower highs. Now lower highs means it is very crucial for it to break beyond 2.7578 zone, which is going to remain a prime resistance zone. If you look at the stock, I think this is starting to rise. The MACD has formed a double bottom, waiting for it to bounce back. Crossover RSI is starting to rise here as well. On the 2 hour, the observation is similar. Right now I can see it is trading bullish, and thus the possibility of it filling the gap towards 2.7, 2.72 exists. And in fact, we can see an advancement towards the 20 period moving average. That is, it can move close to 2.74, but only bullishness, as I shared, is about 2.76 levels, beyond which we can expect a move towards 2.8 possibly. Stochastic here is rising. The MACD has hit the lows, trying to converge crossover. A crossover here can lead to reversal. RSI is oversold here. And on the 3 hour, the observation is more or less same. Beautiful steps are getting created, and it is looking forward to an up move. And that is why I say, in fact, you can buy here now at 2.68. Expect 2.77274. And once you see it is staying above 2.7678, consider this as a reversal here. Now why it is looking forward to an up move? See, too much of divergence here from the 20 period moving average. We have seen historically net gas always tries to attempt to move towards 20 period moving average. Even if it trades bearish, we can see a reversal from this zone, but before that it can try to achieve this zone. Stochastic rising, the MACD is bearish, trying to converge. The RSI is also oversold, and thus this confirms that there could be a further on the upside. Now see, this is the channel in which it is trading, and right now I can see lower lows, lower highs. Very important for it to break beyond 2.772 and then 2.76 zone. Very greater resistance exists here. Stochastic rising, the MACD bearish, RSI oversold, and things are getting oversold here, and thus a little recovery cannot be denied. Coming to the daily. Now see on the daily charts, very important point to note here is it has formed a double bottom and now it is advancing upwards. Now this double bottom levels are very critical, and if you look at the near term, yes, this is has become a good support. It can lead to a W shaped recovery here, which means that we can see or anticipate or expect a move towards 3.15, in fact 3.2 zone, breaking beyond which it will confirm a reversal. Now why this could reverse? If you look at the formation, see it has breached this channel, it is trying to bounce back in this zone again. Very crucial for it to stay about 2.76 today and then 2.8 levels. Stochastic here is oversold, the MACD here is trading bearish, and the RSI is also bearish. So looking at this now, I will recommend here to buy at 2.7, expect 2.7 to 2.74, 2.76 till 2.76, just 20 pips trailing stop loss. Beyond 2.76 we can aim for 2.8, 2.84, and if it breaks this, the chances are high that we are looking forward to 2.9 very soon, beyond which it is confirmation of reversal. On the downside, the selling entry today is only 2.66, below which you can expect 2.64, 2.62, and if it breaks below 2.6, you can say the bears will take over completely, where we can expect 2.54, 2.5 zone. I have mentioned in my weekly review, I will not consider natural gas as bearish still towards 2.48. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do all that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.